Hello friends and welcome to this video. Now today we are going to talk about how you should behave and what you should say when visiting a doctor. Now a doctor visit is a very important thing because doctors always keep us in good health. दोस्तों आज हम बात करेंगे जब आप डॉक्टर को विजिट करें तो आप कैसे बिहेव करें और क्या बातचीत करें. और डॉक्टर हमारे लिए भगवान का दूसरा रूप होते हैं, वो हमें गुड हेल्थ में रखते हैं. तो आइए अब हम डॉक्टर की विज़िट के बारे में बात करते हैं. सो फ्रेंड्स, व्हेन यू विजिट योर डॉक्टर, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यू विल फाइंड दैट देयर इज समबडी एट द गेट एंड देयर मे बी समबडी एट द रिसेप्शन ऑल्सो. सो whenever you go anywhere, you need to remember one rule: always be polite. If you are polite, a lot of problems that can occur due to impoliteness will not come up. So when you go there, if there is a chowkidar or there's somebody at the gate, you can just smile at the person. You might ask, is the doctor in? So the person will tell you yes or no. Now don't get angry if the person says no, the doctor is not yet in. Go inside, because this person may not have more information than this. So the person inside, the person at the counter, the person at the reception will tell you, please be seated, sir. So when you go there to the person there, go and greet the person. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ma'am. And if there's a gentleman, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, gentleman. And then you ask, then you inquire, then you say, is the doctor in? क्या डॉक्टर साहब अंदर हैं? So the person will probably give you one of these answers. The person will say, no, the doctor is yet to arrive. अभी तक डॉक्टर साहब नहीं आए हैं, अभी आना है उन्हें, अभी तक नहीं आए हैं. और they'll say, yes, the doctor is inside, there's a patient there, kindly be seated. So if the person tells you this, then you politely sit down by saying thank you. Now if the doctor is not yet in and it is already time for your appointment, say you had booked the appointment at 11:30 and it is now 11:40, but the doctor is still not in, so you want to ask. So instead of going to the counter and starting to talk in an angry tone, instead of saying, where is the doctor, my appointment 10:30, it's 10:40 already, where is doctor, what is happening? So instead of that, what you should do is you should go there and politely say, madam or whosoever, sir, I had made an appointment for 10:30. When may I expect to be seen by the doctor? So the person will say, sir, the doctor is held up somewhere, so he is taking time. Friends, in the medical profession, a lot of emergencies come up, a lot of problems come up, and sometimes when a doctor feels he'll be free in half an hour, it may take 2 hours. So prepare for all these things beforehand, before you get to the doctor. So it's not of any use being rude or angry with the person there who's manning the counter. That will only make matters worse. You are right, you had an appointment, but the doctor is held up somewhere. So please be patient, please be polite. So you should ask, by what time may I expect the doctor to be here? कब तक मैं expect करूं डॉक्टर साहब आ जाएंगे? So they might say, sir, another half an hour, and then there are 2 more patients. Now don't become angry. What 2 more patients? It is my appointment time. Now those 2 more patients may have taken the appointment which is earlier than your appointment and they are saying nothing. So it's very rude, it's insensitive to behave in this manner. So you should say, okay ma'am, And how much time would the doctor take to examine 2 more patients? So she will tell you, sir, probably half an hour to 45 minutes. So then you calculate. Okay, so after 1 hour and 15 minutes, the doctor will see me. So then you can ask, ma'am, you have my number. I've got some work here. Can I go to the bank and come back? That kind of a thing is fine. But friends, when you go anywhere, but especially to a doctor's place, avoid any kind of impoliteness, any kind of rudeness. Be kind and courteous. If sometimes you have an appointment, doctor is not in, be patient. You're already a patient. Be tolerant. If you have reached there and you find that it is time for your appointment, but there is another patient who has come in and who is looking very ill, then you can voluntarily say, if you want, you can go, I'll go next. So these are some of the things you can do. Friends, if you want to learn how to interact, what kind of interpersonal communication you should employ under different situations, then you can also join my Spoken English Mastery course. It's a 50 video course in which you learn a lot of things about spoken communication. Thank you very much, friends, for watching this. I'll see you in the next lesson. All the best.